Hi there folks, and welcome to the What Solutions for this week's The Daily Rigour issue number 175. So kicking off with our sports story this week, we've got Eliud Kipchoge becoming the first athlete to run a marathon in under 2 hours. Incredible. However, it's not to be recognised as the official marathon world record because it was not an open competition. Wee bit harsh. But anyway, he also holds the official marathon world record, and I want to know how much did he beat this time, running of course in 1 hour 59 minutes and 40 seconds. So the two dates are written in slightly different forms, but we can round this up to 2 hours by adding on 20 seconds. So then we've got that minute after the 2 hour mark and the 39 seconds after the 2 hour mark. So if we add all that up, he's beaten his time by 1 minute and 59 seconds. And do you know what? I'm sure he'll beat this time again before he's done. Okay, so Wednesday's Week 2 Apprentice, there was an epic numeracy fail for the girls team when they were making their own ice lollies. So they quoted, they agreed a deal of 90 vintage ice lollies at £3.50 each, and they quoted a total order cost of £325 to their client. Here's a wee screenshot of them actually working out the sum. So are the girls correct? Explain how you know. Well, it's probably going to be no because it was an epic numeracy fail. But anyway, we need to do 90 times £3.50 without a calculator. So best way to do that is to times by 10, which is 35, and then multiply that by 9. So if you're doing this mentally, you can just do 30 times 9, which is 270, and 5 times 9, which is 45, and then just add the two answers together. So you can see that can be done quite easily. That's £315. So the girls are not correct as they've overcharged their client by £10. They funnily enough won the task, but maybe their numeracy skills need to improve as they hope to go further in the competition. Okay, so plans for the last poll in our note, the £20 one, has been unveiled this week by the Bank of England. And the £20 note is the most common note in circulation, but also the most commonly counterfeited. Anyway, we've got a wee graph here which kind of shows the number of notes in circulation, and we want to know the combined value of all of them. So the problem is we're going to end up with a really big number here that might not even fit into the calculator. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to deal with millions. So we've got 2 billion £20 notes. So 2 billion is 2,000 million. So I'm just going to do 2,000 times 20 just now. And of course, whatever my final answer will be, it will be in millions. So that's double the number of £10 notes. As you can see from the graph, there's 1 billion £10 notes, but also half of 2 billion is 1 billion. So 1 billion is 1,000 million. So we can add 1,000 times 10. We've got 396 million £5 notes, so we can add 396 times 5, and 344 £50 notes, so we can add 344 times 50. And this comes to a really big amount here, 69,180, but of course that's £1,000,000. So anyway, what's a better way of writing that in words? Well, this means that there'll be another 6 zeros after the number. So that means these are all the billions. So this is going to be trillions. So we've got 69 trillion, then 180 billion. And that's the final answer. Okay, so on to our final story. Police in Glasgow were stunned when they pulled over a car to see it jam-packed full of chairs and couches. So this has given us a chance to revisit some of these Guinness World Records. They're quite a fun way to use your estimating and rounding skills. So believe it or not, 28 is the official Guinness World Record for the most people to ever fit in a Mini. I wonder if you got close to that. So VW, a Volkswagen camper van, we're expecting that to be a wee bit more, and it is. It's 50 people. I'm actually quite disappointed when you look at 28 being able to fit into a Mini. And the maximum number of t-shirts worn all at once, and again this is an official Guinness World Record, it's 260. So what a fantastic effort by that man that managed to do that. So there's a wee tip if ever your suitcase is overweight when you're going on holiday. But anyway folks, there you have it, our What Solutions for issue number 175. We hope you enjoyed solving these problems. Stay tuned for next week's edition when we're going to be looking at more stories from the news of the week and the numbers behind them. But in the meantime, thanks for watching and bye for now.